A unified dumbass here. Today we're going to explain what dark matter is and why light does not interact with it using my mechanical string. The second dimension, a sheet, warps and stacks on top of itself to create 3D volume. Our reality is just the second dimension stacking up on top of itself to create depth. As you can see, this is a flat 2D sheet. If this sheet continues to warp, it'll fall on the ground and create a heap of this warped tissue paper. Matter and dark matter is this heap. The way that light interacts with this heap is what differentiates between dark matter and normal matter. Light interacts with the flat side of this two-dimensional sheet. This is normal matter. We interact with light. We are a super compressed version of this heap. Light interacts with the flat side of the heap. If we turn this pile, we can then see the flat two-dimensional sheet warping on top of itself. The warps of the second dimension create a volume. Depending on your perspective, light will either interact with you or it'll pass right on through. Dark matter is a 3D volume of the second dimension stacked and warped on top of itself. But it has holes. Dark matter has holes. It is hollow. Normal matter interacts with light. Dark matter has holes. Light passes right on through. Even though light goes straight through these holes, it interacts with the inner walls of the second dimension. If you were somehow inside dark matter, the inner walls would be lit up. From the outside looking in, light would just pass right on through it, so it would be transparent. Dark matter is like a sponge. Light goes straight through it. However, the inner walls capture the wave. When I was describing this to a friend, he said that if dark matter were a sponge, the wet parts of this sponge would be where light and energy is captured. The dry parts is where light and energy is not captured. These are the voids. We live in dark matter, the holes of the second dimensional stack, where light can go through but is also captured. This is where we live.